go ahead and read that math problem for me.
7 times 4.
How about we actually back up to number 5 so everyone can see how brilliant you are.
6 times 7.
I know, you are a little smarty. How about, here, follow my finger. Follow my finger up to number 5, please. I know you can find number 5. Thank you. And we are reading the punctuation indicator, aren't we?
Yeah.
Number 5, yeah, beautiful punctuation indicator, period. Bless you. And can you read number 5 for me, please?
That's number 7.
It is. I want you to go up to number 5 again, though, please. Number 5, can you read that for me?
4 times 5.
What is 4 times 5?
20.
Yep. Okay, please put your fingers on your book. And number 6. I know, we were already on that page. Let's go to number 6. Thank you. What's that?
9 times 4.
What is 9 times 4?
36.
You got it. Okay, last one on that page, number 7. What is that?
6 times 7.
What is 6 times 7?
Need your help.
Okay, so we know we have a little rhyme. 6 times 6 is 36.
36.
Yep, so if 6 times 6 is 36, then what's 6 times 7?
42.
You got it. You got it. Nice job.